Welcome everyone. So today we are going to learn how you can create your own Google Meet link and join a meeting with your friends or colleagues. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to come to your favorite browser. I prefer Google Chrome, and then you just simply type Google Meet and you will see this Google Meet official website. And when you will click this Google Meet official website, you will see this kind of interface. If you click new meeting, then you will get three kind of option. If you want to create a Google Meet link, you will click this first option, and if you click an instant meeting link, then you will click the second option. It will take less time to join a meeting. And if you want to join a meeting later, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then you just simply click this third option. So for now, I am clicking this first option. A pop-up will come and you will get your Google Meet link. Simply click here to copy, and then you can share this link with your friends and colleagues to join a meeting. I am pasting it on here and simply click on join. And then Google will ask you if you want to give the permission. You just click here to allow this permission. For now, I am turning it off. And then when you are ready, you will click join now. So now I am in a meeting. So from this left side option, you can click here Google Meet copy info. Right option, you will see this three dot option, and you can click the full screen option, and you can change your layout also. I prefer sidebar. And you can also share your screen by clicking this present now option. There are three kind of option. Like if you want to share your whole screen, you will click this your entire screen, and if you want to select a particular application or software, then you will click this a window. And if you want to share a particular Google Chrome tab or like any browser's tab, then you will just simply click here. And after that, you can chat with your friends from here. And if you want to add your member, then you can simply click here and invite your friends on their email. And you all wanted to know how you can record your Google Meet. So I'm very sorry to say that you have to be their premium user to use Google recording system. You have to use third-party application or a screen recorder application to record. And for attendance, you have to come Chrome Web Store and search by attendance. Then you can see this is the Meet Attendance extension. When you enable this extension, you will get back to your meeting link, and if I click this here, then you can see the meeting setting option. I can create a new sheet for present or attendance, and when you are done, you just simply click here to leave call or end your call. You can also rejoin or get back to your home screen. So thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and share your comments in the comment section. Thank you.